Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Guess what day it is? It's an Republic Day. Okay, on this day, 26th January, we celebrate something super special in India. Why? Because becoming a republic. That's right. We are talking about the day our constitution came into action and made us a free and strong country. Yes, cool, right? Okay, but wait. What does that really mean? And why do we celebrate this day with so much joy? Stick with me, and I will take you on an exciting ride to explore all the cool stuff about Republic Day. Let's go! And today we are saying honoring our nation's strength and unity because of we are in Republic. Our Republic Day is on 26th January 1950. Is it right? Yes. Okay. Once again, I want to say to everyone, Happy Republic Day to everyone. On this special day, we honor the adoption of the Indian Constitution and celebrate the values that make our nation strong: democracy, equality, and unity. For me, Republic Day is a time to reflect on the incredible progress India has made and think about how we as citizens can contribute to shaping its future. Origins of Republic Day. How and why the Indian Constitution was adopted on January 26, 1950. On this day in 1950, India became a republic and marking the end of British rule and the beginning of a new chapter in self-governance, where the Constitution became the guidance force for the nation. And our key historical leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Jawaharlal Nehru and others who played vital roles in drafting the Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of the Indian Constitution, envisioned a nation where justice and equality for freedom were fundamental rights for all citizens. You know, friends, Republic Day celebrations are today parade flag hosting the president's speech and cultural performance. And also, every year, the Republic Day celebrates our spectacular professionalism with the great parade at India Gate, showcasing India's rich cultural heritage and military strength. Republic Day is celebrated in different parts of India, highlights the diverse cultures of the country. From the Republic Day parade in Delhi to regional celebrations across the states, India diversity is its greatest strength. The Republic Day truly brings that to life. The values of the Constitution of core principles. To discuss the core principles of the Constitution: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Indian Constitution not only lays out the structure of governance, but also guarantees fundamental rights to every citizen, emphasizing the values of equality and justice, and also reflect on how those values continue to guide India in the 21st century. Even today, the values enshrined in the Constitution guide every aspect of our lives, from our legal systems to our social norms. And also, the journey and achievements of India talk about the progress India has made in terms of economic growth, technological advances, social welfare, and more. In the 75 years since we became a republic, India has made incredible strides in technology, economy, education, and social reforms. We are one of the fastest growing economies in the world today. And you know, in global impact, discuss how India is viewed globally and its growing influence in international affairs. and also from beginning the world's largest democracy to emerging as a global economic power, India's voice on the global stage has become stronger every year by year. And also the voice for India. Talk about your vision for India's future, sustainability, digital growth, and social justice, and more in India. As we move into 2025 and beyond, I envision an India that continues to embrace innovation while staying grounded in its rich cultural heritage. And let's work towards a future where every citizen has access to the opportunities they deserve. And roles of the citizens encourage viewers to think about how they can contribute to India's progress. And each of us plays a role in shaping India's future, whether it's through education or innovation, and simply respecting the values of unity and diversity. Okay, friends, I hope you all are understand about the Republic Day of India. So, thank you very much to watching our channel. Once again, wishing you all a happy Republic Day. Let's continue to stand united and make India proud. Thank you. POSH Pro HR, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, friends.